Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're going to be looking at our one gang doorbells. When you receive your product, it will come in the following packaging. It has barcode and a little bit of information about the brand. Once you open your product, you'll have the product itself, instruction leaflet, and a packet of screws. To get access to the subframe of your product, you can remove the front plate, where you'll see the screw holes to fix it to the back box and the screw holes for the module itself. Doorbells only have 2 holes in them. The switch itself retracts. Once you're ready, you can put the plate back over the top in the color of your choosing. These are for indoor use only. If you have any questions about the brand, feel free to visit www.trendyswitch.com or give us a call.